There's no point scrubbing away at your bike, car, driveway, or garden tools in an attempt to obliterate dirt and grime when you can use a pressure washer to get the job done in a fraction of the time. Indeed, a good pressure washer blasts out water at a high speed so you can clean pretty much anything outside. In this video, we will present you the top 5 pressure washers on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or for the best of the best, we have chosen one for each category, and we have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what pressure washer will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out. Now, let's get to the video. As best buy overall option, we've chosen the AR Blue Clean AR383 Power Washer. The AR Blue Clean AR383 falls into the category of electric pressure cleaners designed for use in and around your home. The washer is able to deliver a high-pressure water jet at 1900 psi and 1.5 GPM. These figures put this unit at the top of its class. It's very simple. More psi equals more cleaning power, and 1900 psi is excellent, considering this is an electric pressure washer. You can clean dirt, grime, grease, and lots more. At the core of this unit is an 11-amp motor that is very low on noise, making it highly practical for use indoors. The unit weighs just 27 pounds, so it's pretty easy to move around. The body of the pressure washer is made out of plastic on the outside, but it also features some aluminum and copper parts. Along with it, you'll get a gun, lance, jet nozzle, foam dispenser, hose, soap bottle, and a foam generator. The unit also comes with transport wheels, and together with the already mentioned low-noise motor and lightweight housing, this pressure cleaner is extremely easy to use, making it ideal for those of you who feel a bit overwhelmed when operating such a powerful tool. The reel helps in this respect as well, which comes with a 20-foot plastic hose. Pressure washers are fun to use, but always keep in mind they are not a toy.